Okay, so today we're just going to talk about installing the CAMMS incident app. You can see there on my phone that it's actually already installed, and you just would follow that, type in CAMMS incident in your app store and go from there. Okay, so once you've got that installed, you need to have this link. So that's available from the Workplace Health and Safety page on the internet. Click on that link inside your phone, and you'll see here in a second that I click on the link. And then that takes you to the live CAMMS risk page. You click on log incident, and then from there you just download the data. This will take a minute or two. So just be aware that this happens. Probably best to do it before you go out. So there's no actual login or anything, and it took me a little while to work it out. So that's why I thought I would do a video to show you how to do it, how it's on the phone. Sorry, my phone just blacked out for a second there because it shut down. Now it's the same process for Apple or Android. You just need to go to the relevant app store. Okay, as you can see, guest data downloaded successfully, and then it comes up to this screen, and Bob is your mum's brother. Hope that helps.